working at this Goodwill. They want covers built for all the plumbing and the P-traps, etc. They sent me the picture of how they want it and how they were. Got these panels cut out. Should be something like that. Got one template. Make a few more of these. Got everything drawn out that I need. Kind of like this. Got the door on as well. Using both magnets and clasps. And this is the other bathroom. So 2 side panels going up. Some anchors into the wall, 2x4 going across. All right, the men's bathroom's coming along. This one's all done. Just got this propping it up until the glue dries back there, because I can only get about a half inch of screw in there holding it, but the glue should hold it once it dries. Got the batteries mounted for the soap dispensers. Looks good.